She thought a pixie style was impossible with alopecia until this. Yes, this no glue sew-in pixie haircut with alopecia is perfect for thin hair, hair loss, bald spots, and thinning edges. Yes, ladies, no glue, no tension, just a healthy protective style that keeps your scalp safe while looking natural and full. Yes, as you can see, my client here does have some significant hair loss in the front and at the top and on her edges. But yes, look at this hair growth. She has been experiencing a lot of hair growth since using our G&G hair growth butter. Yes, our G&G hair growth butter is made with 100% all natural ingredients to do what? Promote hair growth. Yes, it is made with shea butter, tea tree oil, peppermint oil, black seed oil, grapeseed oil, just to name a few. And as you can see, I did a healthy braid pattern. I did the reverse braid pattern because her hair is more healthy in the back than it is in the front. So I braided those braids from the back going toward the front. And as you can see here, I am closing off this beautiful pixie style. Yes, she wanted this pixie style, but she also wanted a pop of color, and she wanted a side bang. So what? I had to hook her up. Yes, I hooked her up with some color and that side bang she wanted, and I'm going to show you just how beautiful this style came out. So I want you to know, ladies, even with hair loss, even with severe alopecia, you can still wear beautiful styles. Yes, look at this. My client was so happy. She wanted some pink in there because pink is one of her favorite colors. So we did that pink in there and added her a side bang. And look how beautiful this came out. It is nice and full. It's lightweight. It's low maintenance. She's not going to have to do very much to it. It has a layer. It's layered, and the style came out gorgeous. My client loved it, and so did I. And look at that pink in there. Gave her that side bang that she wanted. She was so happy and so excited once she seen herself in the mirror. This gave her her confidence back. And that's what we want, ladies. We want to wear beautiful styles, even with hair loss, even with alopecia, thin hair, short hair, damaged hair. And this is what my client got. I was so happy for her just to be able to give her the style that she was looking for and that she wanted. So try a pixie cut, tap the link in the description. Okay, ladies, this is a bonus hair weave style that I'm going to show you. Yes, my client does have some thinning in the front. I did a hairnet weave, a healthy braid pattern, and voila, look at this beautiful hair weave. No tension, no stress, and no pulling.